First thing you need to do is to download this application from the Play Store called Status Scheduler for WhatsApp. And once the application is downloaded and installed, simply go ahead and open it. Select WhatsApp. Then click on this camera icon and click on enable. Here in this list, search for Status Scheduler for WhatsApp and click on it and then enable it. Click on allow. And once this is enabled, go back to Status Scheduler and then again click on this camera icon. Click on allow. Now select the image or video that you want to schedule. Click on edit date and then click on edit time. And once you have set the time and date, click on this schedule option, and that's it. Your WhatsApp status has been scheduled and will be uploaded on the given time.